Today we are going to discuss a program that will capitalize the first letter of each word of a string. What it will do, it will capitalize the first letter of the each word of a string. Okay, for that what is required? First I required a string. So I required a string where I will take the input from the user. Suppose I have written enter, fine. I require a string that has been str1. Here the user will give the input, and basis of that input I will capitalize the first letter of the each word in the string, fine. Now after converting the words, the first letter of the words in the capital letter, I want to store it in a separate string. So another blank string is required, str2. So what I am going to do, I am going to make it a blank string, fine. So one string where the user will give the input, another string where after the words, after I make the word capitalize, I am going to store it over there, fine. Done. Now what we have to do, I have to convert the string into a list of words by using the split function. So what I have to do, I have to convert the string, means str1, into a list of words by using the split function. So I am going to do it that way right now. L, that is a list. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write str1 dot, I am going to write split. Now what I am going to, how it will split? In the bracket I have to define how it will split. It will split with the space. Means if I write he is a, means after he one space is there, he will convert the he as a word, then it will separate it with the comma in the list, then is will come, means with the space it will separate all the words, and before each and every word there will be a space, we know that one. So I have to mention that one. How it will split? It will split according to the space, fine, and it will transfer into the L. Now how we understand, how we are able to understand that it has been converted into a list? Suppose if we give the print command of L, if I write print the L, we are able to see this one, that is converted into a list. So just, it is not the part of the programming, but for your better understanding that particular program, I am going to do that one. What I am going to do, I am going to write one command, print L. Now if I execute the program right now, what is going to happen? We are able to see this one. Suppose if I write this one, see this one, this is converted into a string, list of words, and it is separated with the space. Already I have split the string into the list of words. Now what I have to do, I have to capitalize. The words are separated already, and now I have to capitalize the first letter of each word and once again concatenate or join as a string in str2. So for capitalizing the each letter, what I have to do, I require a for loop. I am going to write for w in L. Now this for loop will, what will, this is the typical for loop of the Python. L is a list. Here all the words are separated as the element of the list with the comma, it will separate it by comma. Now one by one it will transfer the words in the L into the W. First the first word, then the second word, then the third word, like that one. Okay, now what we are going to do, if I give a print of command of W, we are able to see this one, that one by one what is happen, all the words are going to be transferred into the W. Okay, I'm not going to give that one, but if I give, we are able to see this one. Okay, now before we going to any other step, delete this one because this one is not required over there. Now, so like that print command which I am deleted right now, if I give a print command over here, print W, then I will able to see that one by one all the words, because on one by one all the words are going to be transferred into the W. Fine. Now what I will do, I am going to str2 is equal to str2 plus. This plus is used as a concatenation operator. str2 plus, this plus, already I told you, it is a concatenation operator. Concatenation operator means it will add or join the two string. Fine. Here the plus is going to be work as a, it is an arithmetic operator also, but here it is can be work as a string concatenation operator. Now I am going to write W dot capitalize plus space. Fine. Now what I have done, I have written str is equal to str2 plus W. In the W, what str2 is a blank. First, suppose you think that one I have given the input as he is a good boy. What will be transferred into the W? He. That has been capitalized, H, plus str2. Nothing is there, so he has been shifted over there, and after he there is a space also shifted over there. Fine. Now next word is, which is going to be transferred into the W, is. Here he is there, one space is there after he. Then what will happen is, I will be capitalized, and with he and space it will be added. Then he space is. Then a good boy, like that way it will going to be used over there. So after each and every word there will be a space, so the space will be added like this way. Fine. Now if I give the print command over there, and print obviously will be the out of the loop, print str2. Now if we run this program right now, we are able to see this, what is going to happen over there. We are running this program right now. Run, input, done. All that, because A also it has been taken, because I have given it will be separated by the space. So A is also given, taken as a word, and it has been capitalized, all the first letter of the words into the capital letter, all the converted all the first letter of the words into the capital words.